I spent 17 years in the field, and a good chunk of that as a nuclear power electrician. So I don't care about flashy brochures. I care about what happens when the voltage hits the board and the refrigerant starts moving. Today, we're looking at two heavy hitters in the basic tier, the Pioneer WYS Series versus the Samsung Quantum 2.0. Both of these are entry-level inverters, but don't let the basic label fool you. They are in the same class, designed to get the job done without the ultimate price tag. Starting with the build, both units come with coated coils. Pioneer uses their gold fin protection, while Samsung uses a similar anti-corrosion coating to keep the salt and moisture from eating your investment. In the field, that's the difference between a unit that lasts a decade and one that turns into a pile of rust in 5 years. When it comes to the tech, we're talking about 20 SEER for the Pioneer and 17 SEER for the Samsung model. Both use variable speed compressors. Think of a standard AC like a light switch. It's either blindingly bright or pitch black. That constant flipping on and off is a shock to your electrical components and a waste of money. These inverters are like a high-end dimmer switch. They find the exact brightness or cooling level needed to keep your room steady, sipping power instead of gulping it. Now, let's talk brass tacks, the 2026 pricing. For the equipment alone, a Pioneer WYS outdoor condenser is running roughly $550 to $900 depending on the tonnage. The Samsung Quantum 2.0 is a bit more of a brand name premium, with condensers ranging from $840 to $1,300. When you bring in a pro for the full install, expect to pay between $2,000 and $5,000 for the Pioneer, while the Samsung typically lands between $3,000 and $6,000 because many dealers charge a premium for the name. Before we get to the winner, remember your maintenance. I don't care how much you spend. If you don't clean those high-density air filters every month, you're killing your efficiency. In the warranty battle, Samsung offers 10 years on the compressor and parts, but 0 years on unit replacement. Pioneer matches that 10-year parts and compressor coverage, but also offers a 1-year full unit replacement warranty. If that compressor slugs liquid and dies in month 11, Pioneer swaps the whole box. With Samsung, you're waiting on a part. The verdict: the winner is Pioneer. It beats Samsung on SEER efficiency. It's significantly easier on the wallet for the equipment and the install. And that 1-year unit replacement gives you peace of mind that the big brands just aren't offering at this price point. Shop like a pro and check out the head-to-head tool at HVAC For Beginners.